In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Temu. Let's get started by opening the Temu app on your device. Locate the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap it to launch the application. This is your gateway to connecting with customer support. Once the app is open, look towards the bottom of your screen. You will see several options there. Tap on the option labeled You. This section is where you can manage personal settings and access support. It's a central hub for your account-related activities. Now tap on Customer Service. This will direct you to the support area. Here you can find assistance for any issues or questions you might have. It's important to access this section as it connects you to the various help topics available. From there, you have two choices. You can either select a topic that matches your issue or scroll all the way down and tap Contact Us. Selecting a topic can provide quick answers. However, tapping Contact Us lets you directly communicate with support for more specific concerns. Once you make your choice, it's time to type your message. In the text box provided, clearly state your issue or question. Be as detailed as possible to ensure a helpful response. This clarity saves time and helps the support team understand your needs better. Next up, tap Send to start chatting. This action initiates the communication with the customer service team. You will see a confirmation that your message has been sent. Now you just need to wait for a response from a support representative. It's worth noting that engaging directly with support can resolve issues faster. This is because a real person can address your specific situation. It's a personalized touch in a digital world. At this point, keep an eye on your chat thread. The support team will reply to your message here. You will receive notifications when they respond, so you don't miss any updates. This ensures you stay informed and can act swiftly on any advice or instructions given. Remember, clear communication is key in these interactions. The more precise you are in describing your problem, the easier it will be for the team to help. This approach reduces back and forth messages, saving you time and effort. With that ready, you are now equipped to chat effectively on Temu. Whether you're resolving an issue or seeking information, you have the tools to get the support you need. Feel confident that help is just a few taps away. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found these steps easy to follow and helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, happy chatting on Temu.